going to show you how to create this 3D text effect in Canva. Let's duplicate the page. I'm just going to remove the text so that we can start from scratch. If you select T, that'll automatically bring up the text, and you want to create separate lines for each of the words so that you can layer it. So I'm going to do 3D text on one line, effect on the second line. I think I managed to spell that with an X. Oh no, it just looked like it. Canva. So what you want to do is go to effects, have the text highlighted, shadow, offset 100, blur 100, transparency 100. Notice the color in the back is black and the direction 0. Then what you want to do is, to save you time clicking on this and redoing that for each of them, select the previous one and just copy the effect to the other elements. Then what you want to do is add whatever colors or adjust that. I'm going to do it those, and then you want to position them. So this one will need to be at the front, this one will be back from that one, and this one will be at the back, so behind that one. So they're layered. And that's how you can get that 3D effect and the shadows, and done. Level up your Canva with Wickedesigns. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.